Hey guys, it's Mark here with It's All About Racing. I want to welcome everybody back to the channel. This big old box that you see here is a Winspace T1600 that I have waited approximately 11 weeks to get. This is a fully assembled bike. They ran a special with the Dura Ace group set for about $5,500. Coincidentally, the same price I paid for a Canyon 3 years ago with a SRAM Force group set, which I absolutely hated. I will never buy another SRAM group set in my life. I also absolutely hated the frame itself. Had nothing but headset problems with it. The seat post is stuck. So I'm hoping we can have a fresh start with a cool Winspace bike. Another, pre-manufactured, shipped directly. As Canyon did 3 years ago, Winspace does now. The box is this rather unassuming big box. It was extremely light. Guys, this frame weighs nothing. I mean, this thing is so light. It's just amazing. Comes with a lot of cool things. I noticed you'll see here I have the Lun Hyper D67 wheel set, your deep carbon dish wheels. They've got ceramic hubs. They have carbon fiber bladed spokes, which are really, really neat. It comes with a bunch of fake carbon fiber flat pedals there, which I thought was really neat. There's a Winspace, it's a multi-tool kit with both Allen wrenches and other torque wrenches. A wheel bag that came with nothing in there but an instruction booklet, some tire pliers. No spokes, as I thought. What was nice was the seat post did come attached to the seat itself. Get this Italian seat there. It's going to have to be adjusted, of course. But you have that. And then you have the accessories box. It has, this is your seat post. That's your clamp there for it. You got a through axle, you've got a rear radio hanger, and you got a bag with a whole bunch of other stuff. I don't know what's in there. I'll figure it out when we get it. And then there is the bike itself. And as I mentioned, this is the T1600. It is the deep space bike. It's got this rather attractive, and with Dura Ace group set, I think I mentioned that. You can see that there. The rear radio hanger, all nicely done in black. I also ordered some carbon fiber rings to replace the Dura Ace rings. I don't know why. And I'm really excited to say that this is a 5236 group set. My Canyon had a 48 front ring and a 1034, I think, group set. I always found myself looking for extra gear that I never had. So I'm hoping with this, and by the way, the carbon fiber ring that I got was a 54. And I used to push a 56 on my TT bike, so no concerns there. It's got the handlebar, which is the Hyper handlebar. Unfortunately, the gloss finish that you may have seen in a lot of other videos is no longer available because they've come up with this Hyper Rise bar that is their new bar. I think replaces the Hyper bar that I have here. But this is just the flat carbon fiber black. But I think it'll go nicely with this finish, which, as you can see here, is the as I mentioned, is the deep space finish. Really nice. Look at that, and I'll tell you, it's just as pretty as I thought it was going to be. Absolutely gorgeous. The wheels have these Michelin Power Cup tires on them. I'm going to pull those off. I've got actually kind of bare Vittorias at the shop right now, and I'm going to take this thing to the shop, as a matter of fact, to have the tires. I'm going to put tubeless tires on it, and probably have them attach the handlebars to the post. I can do that, but shit, while they're there, I'll let them do it. Why not? So I don't have to fool with it. And guys, then what I'll do is I'll show you the fully assembled bike as soon as we are finished with it. But for now, this is just what the bike looks like, and I'm gonna actually transport it to the shop with all the stuff it has on it, just to protect the finish. Make sure it doesn't get any scratches or anything like that before I get it to the shop. Anyhow, I'll see you for part 2 of the unboxing.